Hey, welcome back for another drink. This is gonna be a special one today. I'm Jordan.
I'm Bree.
And we're making a blended drink today. I'm pulling this from a recipe called Midnight Cowboy, but we're using our Navy Strength Rum. So I'm gonna call it Midnight Sailor. How about that?
There you go.
Yeah, sounds good to me. So I'm starting out here, I'm subbing out some stuff. We're going with our Navy Strength. I'm gonna do, if I was doing one drink, it will be 3/4 ounce. So I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces since it's you and me. I'm gonna go straight into my blender with it. I've already got some like semi-crushed ice in here. So I'm just gonna add this on top.
I think the only blended drink I've ever had is a pina colada.
Really?
Yeah. Or a margarita. Other than that, this will be
I think this is gonna be tasty because it's gonna be coffee flavor.
Yeah.
So we're using our coffee liqueur in place of just any kind of coffee liqueur. We're using our coffee rum rather. And 1/2 ounce for one drink. I'm doing a full ounce for 2 of us. And you know what? I'm thinking a little extra coffee. I'm gonna use a little bit more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do another 1/2, I think.
Yeah, there you go. Make it strong.
Cool. And then, oh, I do need this still. So on top of that, I'm gonna add chilled cream. I'm gonna go with 1 ounce here for 2 of us. Typically it's calling for 1/2, so we'll do a full ounce.
I like your little book you got here.
Heck yeah, dude. Found it at my house the other day. I was like, why not utilize it? Blend.
There you go. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, that'll do. I get you some drink, and then we'll get me some drink.
And we're topping it with Coke.
Yeah, we're gonna top it off with some cola.
And we just pour it in.
Yeah, top her soft there, bud. There's the color we've been looking for. Oh, look at it all bubbly.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, dude. This is gonna be
Should
sweet.
I give it a little stir?
Go for it, why not? What do we know? This is like the 10th drink I've had today.
All right, let's dink it.
We're gonna chug it? Like we did that one?
No, I said dink.
Hey, dink.
Dink. It's like a root beer float kind of vibe.
Oh, hell yeah.
Is it good? All right, we got to go in and try it.
It's a nice little Coke float situation here.
I'll be the judge of that.
It could be crushed a little bit finer, I think.
Yeah, well, you told me to stop.
I did tell you to stop. That was my bad.
Oh yeah, I like that.
I like
it needs
it.
more alcohol. Do a floater.
There you
A
go.
Navy floater?
No, I think
Coffee floater? We're no pros.
There you go. That's probably good.
Prove.
Yeah, this is a good drink. We've discussed. Maybe do ice cream and cut back on the ice a bit, perhaps. And then if you get it in your beard, you can just savor it for later. You know? It's a good dessert for a happy day. Check out the rest of our playlist. I look like an absolute fool. No one will respect me after this video. Turn on the bell, like, subscribe.
You did that whole video by yourself. I don't even need
Enjoy.
to be here. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to check out the recipe in the description below. Like, subscribe, check the notification bell, follow us on social media, and come see us at the distillery to get your bottle of Navy Strength. We'll see you guys later.